like what did she do with me? Am I okay, I don't care, but
you don't care, but Mama and I are friends in Facebook.
Your mama gonna have a lot
Decide my mom
broke up and you
No.
you were gonna go alone and something like you wanted to go drunk
you know
with.
the
But
truth.
how dare you?
No,
Like,
you know the truth. Yeah.
No, I'm
thinking about I'm happy because we're not we're not in a relationship. But
no, she's thinking she betrayed you. You were gonna hurt her.
Yes.
You're gonna hate her. But if you that you're gonna love her so much. But you told about me. You said
Due to her.
I just don't speak in vernacular because we speak in vernacular. If you speak in
you
English,
speak
we totally
vernacular.
understand.
So if we speak English, we can understand it careful and understand it.
Are you fucking boomet?
Yes. So if you speak if you speak English, we can understand. We can really understand it. So we use it in Cebuano because we really understand it, and every moment in our life we used it in our lives. We speak in Cebuano because right now I'm drunk.
Wala na may din man ay. Gamay na lang soli. Mani mo, dili na mo mahorta pagat. Uy! Sino ka? Para hindi namin maubos.
What?
Huh? Murag mga yatay. Kahubog, kinamahog na siya.
Manag naman pa. Tawagan hero.
We didn't.
Namahog!
Oh my God!
Ay, hindi na siya ako. Kinakasuka naman.
Tawagan
And
hero.
speaking in Cebuano, that makes me feel what I wanted to do.
Wala mo ingon nga never. Ayom. Ayom, okay.
Yawa, pagtindog, tas di ras. Tangina mo. Kunin mo ginabangan. Kato nahubog ko.
Itabangan, tika.
Oh my God, guys. Who is this guy, bro?
I never get drunk anymore. Hindi ko inuutor.
Guys.
Because I can say I will never gonna drink anymore.
This is Life's Hack. Ola from Bronx.
Pero may tubig init na tubig ko.
Oh, di siya ba liguan ako nag-ininit? Ola from Barcelona. Ito nga pala ang boyfriend ko na si Chef Jama. At ngayon, dadalhin ko siya sa kama para siya ay makamata kung hindi na nga siya mahalaga. Ngayon, dapatan niya sa eskwela, pero ang ginawa niya ay pumunta sa bahay ko para maglasinggera. Pero ayun siya, sabi niya hindi ko siya matatalo. Bro, wake up. Alage. Di pa, nagsulit naman niya siya? Oo, kasakaon ka kay. Suka na lang.
Si Jervy Diamond.
Tulog sa pala.
Ah?
Tuwan.
Ikaw di wala ka natarong.
This is what I told you, Russell, that don't come to my house because there's no kurente. Okay guys, surot na mong doa kalungnik. Hindi sa kapake. Nga, tulo na may lain. Wala siya isuka. Kay, wala man dyan sa gigaw.
Dito, Jo.
Ha?
Dito.
Okay.
Dito, lagi pa.